Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ryan Trout. Today we're on a very exciting mission. I just did not get enough of snowmobile riding this winter, so we're actually going to buy a snowmobile right now. Yes, it's the end of March. Yes, the snow is all melting. And that's what's exciting because I'm going to be building a watercross sled and this thing is going to be sick. It's a Mountain Cat. We're on our way down to Rochester. It's about a 4-hour drive today. This should be a pretty exciting build. Stay tuned. It'll be like a 4-part series and we'll see what it turns out to be. Well, we're about 5 minutes out right now, about to be rolling up to his house. Drive wasn't too bad. It was almost 4 hours, so it took a little while to get down here, but hopefully this thing is as nice as he says and we can pick up a new sled and head home. So we just got the new ride, talked the guy down, got a steal on it. This thing is sick, this new M7, I can't wait. It's an 05, super nice sled, has an all new rear end on it, race rails, everything like that. All ready to go, aftermarket cooler, should be pretty awesome. So what we're gonna do is take it home now, make the long journey home, and then start tearing into it, get onto this build, and hopefully we'll be on the water soon. See you there. Hey guys, it's now the next day. We got home really late, so I wasn't able to do much of an outro or anything like that. But today we're gonna go out and see how the sled runs and everything. But unfortunately, since it is Minnesota, it likes to snow. So we're gonna wait for the snow to kind of slow down a little bit and then we'll go out there and take a look. So stay tuned. So we got the sled fired up here. Sounds pretty good. It's got a can on it, so. As you guys can tell, this sled is very loud, but that should be really awesome. It should sound really good on the water. So if you like this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. We'll start tearing into it and see what happens next.